Hey YouTube, what doing? God, justice, sorry. Okay, so I'd say that's good. Okay, so story time. It's a story time today, and I got my friend Parker right next to me,
Well, anyways, forgot face cam.
and I'm just gonna talk about. I don't know why my account got banned, but my account got banned. I'm just gonna talk about it. Okay, so today I'm just playing Mining Simulator on Roblox. It's a really fun game on my main account, XZ This is my alt. And just it says something like you have been kicked out of the game, possibly due
Rocks.
to someone.
Oh my god.
What the crap? Possibly due to someone signing in on another device, and I'm like, what? And
So
then
yeah, when the account got banned, I got my old account back. Right now, I'm just playing a game so everyone can talk about it. Yeah.
yeah, um,
This sounds
and
really loud.
you hear like another voice in the
Hi, ma'am.
background.
Hi, ma'am.
That's Parker, my friend Parker, one of my best friends actually, and
Oh, motorcycles in the tweet.
and just having some gameplay. No face cam for today,
I'm using a thing. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a new look. I got new glasses
and
a mohawk. Rip.
and
Let me ask you, comment down below.
I'll be back.
Look,
Okay, I'm
Wayne
back.
got terminated.
No,
Not
I didn't get
terminated.
terminated.
He
I
got
got banned
banned
for
for
3 days.
3 days.
I got banned for 3 days, and
So, and I got my very old account back.
then
Long time ago. Look at this dude. Look at this
and then I don't even know
dude.
why I got banned. It just said banned for 3 days. Content moderated. I have an idea.
And I got a warning, but I don't know why.
Maybe it was for giving away Robux. Because I gave away Robux in my group.
But I don't know why I got a warning.
Yes, you do.
Okay, I do. Okay, I do. Maybe I do, but I can't say it. I can't say why.
Okay, so I'm just playing Mining Simulator. I get kicked out.
He's
It
all
says,
peaceful. Just playing some mining simulator.
and then you see Parker was at my house. He went home to eat lunch, and then I run. I'm like, once I see this, I'm like, oh my god, I need to show Parker. I thought Parker was still in my house, but it turns out he wasn't. So I look out the window. He's almost home. I bolted outside barefoot. And I'm like, Parker.
Sorry guys.
My account got banned.
I moved it. Sorry guys. If my camera just lagged, I moved it.
My account got banned, and then he's like, really? He probably didn't believe me because I've told him plenty times before that my account has got banned. He ran in and he saw it. So I'll be on this account, STM0617. Yeah. It's my old account. If you want to friend me on this, be happy. I'm accepting all the friend requests I get.
Yeah, I will too, because this is my old. So I'll accept all friends. Read a rum.
Oh my god. Oh, this is. Oh, I mean, a guest isn't that rare, but like, there's a guest in this server with 1,932 cash.
Wow, that gets crazy. Guests are still a thing, but it's really hard to get.
Yeah, if you go to my video,
go check it out.
it only happens like
randomly it glitched and I became a guest. Like I joined the game trying to be, my account, and I'm a guest.
Okay, so I'll do like commentaries and stuff. I'll do like commentaries and stuff, some videos, and then I'll do drop tests. Like I'll drop my stupid sister's toys.
I've recently done a drop test with Killian Plays, where we dropped Legos and rip my creations. Of course, they survived because he actually made them. I flipped a barrel and killed someone.
And like in 1 month, I haven't really decided like the letters, but if you look at my Roblox thing, STM 0617. Oh, that's my alt's name. My YouTube name's gonna be something like that. Something like that. In the next month, I'm changing it. It's Xbox X right now because I named myself that when I was addicted to Fortnite.
Yeah.
And then,
Ultimately, I haven't really been on YouTube. So, yeah.
watch this, guys. That's a good, not a glitch. It's like a secret thing from Gun Simulator. It's not a secret. It's just like most people don't know about.
If we can play Mining Simulator? Do you want to play Mining
Yeah,
Simulator?
once I get my account back, we can do Let's Plays Mining Simulator.
Or like Titanic Simulator.
Or like some simulator, like
Or
Soda
we
Drinking
could play
Simulator.
Robloxia. I mean, not Robloxia. What is that game?
We could play Car Crushers too.
Yeah, and what's the other one?
Bloxburg.
Blackbird, yeah.
We can play Bloxburg.
That'd be my first time playing it. Maybe we could do it on video.
I have some
I
stuff.
just got access, but then his account got there. Leon. His account got banned. So of course, I went on. And then we tried to get this account back. It's really looks like it has the veteran badge. It's my first ever Roblox account. So, anyways, yeah. That guy put up the tree. The guest is in the tree.
I know, I killed him.
Guest.
Hey Parker, go stand by that barrel. Oh shoot.
Okay, I'm gonna go stand by. Andrew, he killed you. No, he didn't kill you. He killed someone. So anyways, in about 2 more days, me and will have an account back and we will be playing a lot more Roblox. More games.
I'll still be playing this game.
Yeah, we'll still be recording this.
Yeah. Tell me some games like that you'd like me to play on Roblox.
Yeah, we have bad ideas.
Yeah, we don't know any games. We play random
don't know any good
games.
games.
My next video is gonna be crash a car into a train. Holy crap!
Everyone died. What the heck? And there's just one girl right there.
Okay, I'm gonna end this video soon at 10 minutes. So basically, I'm just gonna talk about here. Actually, I'll be back here. Okay, guys. So we're gonna see my account. See, when I search it doesn't come up. We're gonna go to my friend Parker's main account.
Here, I'm gonna find it. Oh, it's right there. Oh, that's mine. I'm not recording it, so. I'm trying to move my webcam constantly.
Parker, are you following me?
Not on that account.
On XC Scar.
I don't know, actually. Dark. Roblox.
Yeah, okay. So this is my account. See, it lets you go to a profile because it's not terminated. It has a lot of stuff, as you can see. It has the Roblox Santa, the Festive Dual Plungers, the Black Iron Commando. That account even has its own group. I'm good at Pet Simulator on that account. I'm good at Soda Drinking Simulator, Car Crushers 2, drive a car into a train. Can you survive a train ride through a black hole? Grow Simulator. I'm good at like Mining Simulator. I'm good at like half of the games. So I'm gonna end it here, YouTube. Just hit 9 minutes. I know I said 10 minutes, but yeah, okay, well, bye, YouTube. Bye!